Hello. Well, most of us had some pretty decent weather on Thursday, some warm spells of sunshine. Friday's not looking bad for most of us, but not for everybody. We are expecting some rain across western parts of the UK. And on the satellite picture, you can see the reason a weather front is approaching. In fact, it's already been cloudy and damp across Northern Ireland and parts of western Scotland. And this weather front, as it approaches the British Isles, it is slowing down, and in fact it's going to stall across western parts of the UK.
So today's weather then, we are looking at a largely dry and settled day for many parts of the UK. Not everywhere. There's a weather front that's moving its way in from the west. So there's going to be some rain on the cards, but for many of us, pretty similar to what we had yesterday. Sunny spells and temperatures still doing quite well for this time of year.
Because we are experiencing a bit of warmth. Some might call it a little bit of an Indian summer, perhaps, this September. Sarah, morning to you.
Yes, good morning to you, Naga and Charlie. We are officially in autumn, meteorologically speaking, but yeah, we've had some really high temperatures for the time of year. Yesterday, widely up to 23 degrees, and we've got a little bit more of that warm weather for some of us over the next couple of days. So certainly some beautiful weather out there at times today. We have got a bit of rain in the forecast, though, moving in from the north and the west, but this is how we start the day in North Yorkshire. Some clear skies overhead, a little bit of mist and fog around, but that should be fairly quick to clear through the course of this morning.
Sarah, thank you. We're going to whisk straight away to see what that weather's looking like on the West Sussex coast this morning. Look at that. It's a beautiful scene this morning, as described by Sarah. It is a really lovely morning. Maybe quite a few places in the UK experiencing that. But the question mark is, and I'm looking closely at that picture, do you see any litter? Because it's one of those days when there are volunteers out.
Morning.
Good morning to you, Charlie and Naga. A beautiful start to the day for many of us out there today. A few mist and fog patches around, but this is the sunrise taken by one of our early bird weather watchers. This is Colwyn Bay in Conwy. So some blue skies, some sunshine around. It will cloud over from the west for some of us today because there's a weather front moving in. So that's going to bring a bit of rain, particularly to parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland as well. But for many of us, it will remain mostly dry with some warm sunshine around, pretty similar to what we had yesterday, in fact. And beautiful day out there for many of us as well. We've got some sunshine around, not everywhere, but this is the picture above the Isle of Wight. Some blue sky around there, a little bit of patchy cloud here and there. Through the day, many places will stay a little bit like this. Some sunshine and some pretty warm weather on the cards as well.
Sarah, take us a last look at the weather today.
Morning.
Good morning to you both. Well, a bit of a mixed picture out there today. For many of us, there's some blue sky and some sunshine, just as there is in East Sussex here. So a bit of patchy cloud drifting around. Many places, particularly central and eastern England, will keep the sunshine through the course of the day, but it's not going to be dry across the board. We've got some rain that's working in from the west, so that's on quite a slow-moving weather front.